Have you dreamed of your own facial hair design? Here we have a patient who wanted his facial hair design almost similar to WWE star The Rock. After careful planning and design, we use the Smart FU technique to perform his facial hair transplant. Immediately after the procedure, there is a bit of swelling due to local anesthesia. By day 3, microscapes have begun falling and swelling is almost gone. After 1 week, we can see that microscapes are not visible and only the grafted hair can be seen at the planted area. From now onwards, 2 weeks to 3 months, this patient will experience what is called the shedding session. And now, exactly 1 month, this is the result.